Alright folks, in Joey's little town, gonna go pick him up. Should be around the corner. Then we're gonna go do a little digging. It could rain sporadically today, but I don't think it's gonna be anything bad. Got the old mine site there in town. Right over there. And we're gonna pick up Joey. Should be just around the corner. Alright. He's not here today. Alright folks. Okay, back at it with the Bottle King. We're at our, we haven't been here for a little while, but I'm sure you all remember the little baby head. Focus already.
We're back.
No, don't want to focus for me. Alright, well, anyway, we're back at the baby head. And we're going to see what we got. We just really started, cleaned a little bit of a new spot. And we did get one bottle so far. Nice cobalt aerated. Really nice color on that. Beauties. It's a good way to start. And we found an old brass valve. It's probably worth a good chunk of scrap. Alright. Catch you when we get some other stuff going, folks. See ya. Alright folks, so we just got a little bottle. Something a little different. We don't see many of these.
That's a mini Holbrook.
Oh man, that's cool. Oh, that is cool. Nice condition too. Really nice shape. Mini Holbrook controls. Hopefully that's focusing on that. There it is.
Pull it back though.
Cool. Alright.
Oh.
Well, that's a few meager bottles so far. Nice color on that, Joe. Awesome. Alright, we'll get back to you. This is some really hard ground here. But we'll see what happens. We weren't getting much at the other site, so Joey and I moved. I started digging down here. And I pulled out some kind of old sign. I can see motor something there. Sir, C something U. That's kind of cool. Awesome. Alright, we're going to carry on and see what else we can get. See you on the next, folks.
No cobalt that time Glenn got, remember?
Oh, I just figured out what that is. That's an old Red Indian motor oil sign. That up there said Red Indian motor oil. Oh man, too bad that sign wasn't in good shape. Original Red Indian motor oil sign. Porcelain too. Oh, what a drag. Oh well. Catch you on the next. Alright folks, well we've been plugging away for a little while. There's a few bottles, but we're just kind of starting a new site here. We're starting to get down there. Got to get down to get to the older stuff. We're just kind of plucking away. A few old jars and bottles. This one still kind of got a lot of the label on it. Old Coke. Old embossed, oops, some Rallies. Scott's emulsion. So we got a few little things. That sign was cool. There's a few little blue over there, a couple blues. Clay marble, and we got a few things at the other site still. We'll show you that on the way out. Okay, well we're going to continue for a little bit longer before we shut her down for the day. Alright, see you on the next one. Okay, sorry about that. I'm going to go in there and get those two bottles. Hope you can see them. One's there, and one's there. Let's see what we got. I'll get them out and get back to you. On that one, folks, it's too bad that wasn't embossed. That is a real slick green. So those two bottles I was just going for, there's one of them. No embossing.
No.
Good shape. We got this one too. When you that's kind of cool. Distillers for over 100 years. I don't even know what that says, but it's 1832. But we got one here that Joey Man is gonna like. Look at that, folks. That's a Trudel.
You're not allowed to leave the dump.
Look at that beauty.
You're not allowed to leave this dump.
What does that say down there? That's something different, eh? Nice old Trudel soda pop bottle. Oh, that one's cool. Oh, it's got Kirkland Lake on it too. Did they all say
Kirkland Trudel, yep.
Nice, JHT.
It's where a lot of the, oh, it's the JHP bottle. That's where a lot of the Trudels came from, was Kirkland. It's an older one. That's one of the old ones. That was one of the first Trudel bottles.
Nice. Sweet.
Like
awesome. All right.
Unscathed too.
Yeah, we're going to carry on, folks, and we'll get back to you on the next. Okay, folks, Joey's got something over here. Not sure what it is. In the hole there. Some kind of fairly large bottle.
Digging to get him out. And pull this thing out, whatever that is.
Oops, sorry folks, there was a bit of dirt on the camera. Okay, you gonna try to extract it? Yeah, a couple of those old Lysol.
This was a weird one too. Different.
Yeah, big one. A few things still piling up. Alright, you gonna try and get that out?
Try. Locked in there pretty good. Oh. Punched him a little bit. Gonna take some digging to get him out of there. Because he's in upside down, so it's actually a good sign maybe. But
No, here he comes. You got him. You should be able to pull him out.
a wine bottle by the looks of it. Who's there, a winer? Yeah. Big, a weird looking one though.
Big green one.
That's weird. It's like that other one pulled out.
Cool. Alright, we'll carry on.
Oh, there's embossing on it.
Oh, we got embossing.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, oh yes. Oh, what do we got?
All right. Oh,
something
Widow's whiskey.
Cool.
It's a whiskey.
That's definitely cool.
Not what I thought it would be.
Oh, it's an embossed little whiskey bottle. Oh, that's cool. All right, sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet.
Is there a rod broken on that thing?
What?
No.
No, she's in good shape. What does that say?
I've never seen that one before. That name, I don't think I've ever heard of.
Whiskey? Cato's Whiskey?
Yeah, I've never heard of it. That's different. That's a new one.
Yeah, that's cool.
That can be a bucket bottle.
Yeah, never seen it before. Awesome. All right, carry on.
Let's clap.
All right, folks, it looks like we got a storm coming our way. We're going to pack it up. We'll come back to this new pit. Brand new, never been here before. A few things coming out. Lots of bottles. Lots of bottles. The old Red Indian motor oil sign. Some Lamberts. Oh, the two. We ended up getting a second Trudel, which was nice. So we each get one, which is pretty cool. We got a couple of full ones still for Adam and Jade. They like to smell them and taste them. This one's looking like it's still perfectly good. And this little one, yeah, I think they'd like to do the sniff test on those. That embossed one, the embossed Scots, the whiskey, the motor. That's rough, but I think I'm going to take it anyway. We got a clay marble, and we got a few over at the other spot where we were started. but didn't have much luck. All right. All in all, it was a good day, Joe.
Hello.
We'll see you on the next, folks. Joey's over there, the other hole. And this is what we got from this little hole. This was, I guess, the best find, the little Holbrooks. That's cool. And this really nice color. Aerated water. All right. We'll get back to you on the next hunt, folks. It was a good afternoon. See ya. We're back at the car. It's pretty quiet. Sun setting. Alright. We are going to say see you next time, folks. Peace. Alright, back in from a day of digging with the bottle can with Joey Wayne. But I'm tired from bottle digging. Alright, we're gonna head up, get a shower, get something to eat, and we will see you. There's what we call home sweet home. For the summer anyway. See you on the next one. Alright folks, after a hard day digging with Joey, look at that sunset. That looks awesome. That looks awesome. Look at the sunset.
I know.
Look at that sunset. Isn't that beautiful?
You can only see the sun.
That looks wild.
It looks like it's orange. It looks orange.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Wicked. Hey, that's a nice sunset.
Yep. Let's go back.
Go back? I thought you were going down to the park to play.
No, like go back to the park.
Yeah, go ahead.
Wait, Miss, I got something to do.
That kind of looked kind of crazy. All right, another good day. Who knows where we'll end up tomorrow?
Look, Dad. Look at me.
The old Hudson's Bay outpost from the 1800s was on that island.
Dad, look.
Yes. Oh, pine cone. Cool. Okay, we'll catch you on the next, folks. Another good day.